Welcome to a new school year. While our students have been away this summer, we've been very busy across our entire campus, especially in the middle school. A great deal of thought and care has gone into the planning of our spaces on campus to make sure that we meet the needs of today's students. Our middle school has been refreshed with brighter lighting, new finishes, bathrooms, flooring, and more. Through collaboration with teachers and experts, we have ensured that all our planning for the middle school considered cognitive function and neuroscience research. Middle school classrooms are now equipped with the latest Promethean interactive displays and Apple TVs. The assembly hall has been refreshed to be a hub on campus for teaching, learning, collaboration, and events. TVS has continued to prioritize safety and security. The school installed a new intercom system campus-wide.
Welcome, Trojans, to the 2023-2024 school year.
More details on all of our new improved safety and security measures will be shared with our families soon. Additional updates include our third pre-K classroom. We expanded our pre-K to 3 sections to better serve our families. A third counselor has been hired, and additional academic support personnel have been added in all divisions. We have installed additional playground equipment to our pre-K and kindergarten playground. Across campus, the stage floor in the Stephen Cellini Theater has been replaced and reinforced for the benefit of our many thespians. New bleachers have been installed in the North and South Gym to cheer on our Trojans. Other updates took place throughout the past spring. We added our west lot parking to better serve visitors to our sports fields. Another staffed guardhouse has been added to the west lot. Thanks to a grant for greatness from the Parents Club, we added substantially to our edible garden. Chef Erin and her team used the herbs and vegetables from the garden in our dining hall. We look forward to welcoming everyone to campus on August 23rd.